How to request refund from Play Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can request app refund from Play Store. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, to request a Google Play app refund, use a web browser, not the app. So locate the browser that you use the most. I'll go to Google Chrome. And after you're there, you'll need to head over to this website. So search for play.google.com/store, give a slash again, and account. After you're on that website, you will need to find your order. Or what you can do is tap on this question mark icon. Then you'll find an option that says request a refund. You tap on request a refund, you will then be able to talk to the AI. So they can see how you can request a refund. So you can tap on request a refund on Google Play and it'll take you to the guide. And you can tap on request a refund from here. After you tap on it, it'll take you to this page where it'll start your request. Tap on continue, confirm your account. Now here you will find the purchase that you had. After you find the purchase, you will then need to choose a reason for the refund. Select the option that best fits your situation, such as I bought this by mistake, or this doesn't work as expected, and stuff like that. After you've described the issue clearly, you can then tap on the form, fill the form out, click on submit, and then it's basically done. So for the timing, sometimes instant refunds may appear within 2 hours for some purchases. Other might take around 4 to 5 days for a decision. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.